Who's gonna tell him?
Not me. I don't want to die.
Well, neither do I, but one of us has to tell him.
We can just blame it on the pilot over there.
Yeah, let's do it. Lord Vader.
Tell me what?
Vending machine's broken.
Who broke it?
He did it.
No, Vader. I can explain. Please. No.
Go down there and get me another vending machine.
Yes, Lord Vader.
Hey, what happened to this guy?
I don't know. We just got here a couple minutes ago.
Wasn't I supposed to fix something like a vending machine?
Okay, come on, hurry up, slow folks.
Can you like please stop bragging about that new motorbike?
Both of you, stop talking. Hurry up back there.
Well, why do I always get the slow machinery?
Because you're a dork. Now move it.
All right, boys, let's move. Let's shoot some rebels.
I can agree to that, sir. Open fire.
Take this, rebel scum. No, don't close the gate, please. Ah!
Bring in Filthy Frank.
Hey guys, it's your boy Filthy Frank here.
Who was that?
I have no idea, dude.
Whatever. Go, go.
After him.
You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I'm Django.
Oh, why is this guy so fast?
Jetpack.
Hey, what was that?
I have no idea.
Those guys are so slow. Boba, open the gate.
Okay, Dad. Just give me a second.
It's about time. Wait. That gate is a bit too short. Rebuild it now.
Okay, Dad.
Dad, what do I pay you for? Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Shoot them.
I really hope we don't get massacred.
That's a slight probability. Oh no. Oh no. We're getting massacred. We're getting massacred. Fall back.
Lord Vader, we require assistance. I repeat, we require assistance.
And hurry.
Your vending machine is mine. This ends here.
Actually, Vader, no, it's not, because I am really a Jedi. Let's boogie, boy. Take this. Take that. Yeah. Oh no, don't slice me. No, I've been sliced in half.